how to get your Google Maps to talk. Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Google Maps to talk so you never miss a turn. To get started, you will need to set your final destination and then you're going to hit on the start button to begin navigation. So let's get started with that. So first, I'm going to set a final destination. So for example, I want to go here in this McDonald's. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to hit on start right here in the menu down below. Now, once you hit on start or in your driving view, you're going to look for the speaker icon in the right side of the screen. If it has a line through it, your maps are muted. So you're going to tap on that icon and select default speaker image to unmute all voice guidance, or the middle icon if you only want to hear important alerts. So you can see all of that by hitting or by swiping up on your screen so that this menu will be revealed. So what you're going to do next is you're going to hit on settings right here. And like I said, you can just select the guidance volume right here, whether you want to set it to softer, normal, or louder. Now, if you want to fine tune your settings, you can just tap on the settings right here, or you can just stay on this page. And here you can adjust the guidance volume to be louder, normal, or softer, depending on your preference, like I said. Now, if you're still having trouble hearing the directions, you can check these three advanced options. You can check to play voice over Bluetooth if you're connected to your car, play voice during phone calls, and play audio cues if you have that option available. Now, make sure all three are toggled on, and a quick tip, if you still can't hear anything, just double check your phone's actual media volume is turned up. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps you get where you're going. Have a nice day.